Yes, this is me, Silly Genius. And if you have trouble in making a trade system for your Roblox game, then you came to the right place, my friend. So, let's get started. Oh, and thank you for the 100 subscribers, by the way. Really do appreciate that.
First of all, you need money. I mean, not real money, of course, but in game money to keep a track on how much you got. To do this, we write the code in the server script inside server script service. When the player joins, a new folder is created inside the player called leader starts. Inside that folder, we put an integer value which will store the value of player's money. Now we need items in order to sell. So let's create another integer value inside the player to keep a track on items than having actual model in his or her inventory. We can name this value scraps and put a value of 500. Our next goal is assets. The player needs someone to sell his scraps to get money. To do this, let's make a rig inside the workspace. Now we add proximity prompt and a server script inside the rig's character. Inside this script, we define the variables and create an event that when the prompt is triggered, it will put the scrap value to 0 and update the player's coins. Now that the player got money, he or she can buy other items. For example, let's have a rig where the player can buy a flashlight. Just keep in mind that you can put any other items you want, but make sure you update the changes in script 2. So now we put the item in the server storage and create a new rig so that the player can buy the flashlight. Just like before, we add a proximity prompt and a script inside the rig's character. Inside this script, we program the logic that if the player coins are greater than or equal to 200, then give the player the flashlight and update its new coins value. Now let's test it. Now you can see that I have currently 0 coins. I also have an integer value called scraps having a value of 500 inside the player. When we sell our scraps, we get the money and then we can go to buy the flashlight. As you can see, I bought the flashlight from this NPC and now I can use it whenever I want.
And that's it. You made your simplest and easy trading system for your Roblox game. And I hope you understood the main concept of this tutorial. I also made a few sample models which are obviously the upgraded version of this. Their link is given in the description. Please consider liking and subscribing the video as it helps me motivate to make more videos like this.